you having?
Bussin'. It's called the press bagel.
The press bagel.
You didn't even let me show them. The press bagel with spinach. What does it have? Spinach, avocado, cheese, tomato, all the good stuff.
All the good stuff. And
let me
I'm
explain
having
my
a little
meal.
red cherry.
Yeah, explain that. Explain
My
that.
meal is crispy chicken.
On my mother's, it's crispy chicken.
Neighbors. Oh, no. Yeah, he brought us out to breakfast.
I'm the injured one, and I'm buying. Oh my!
What did you tell me?
I did. I was like, oh no.
No, you said, oh. Is it too delicious? Hey, take that off.
Dada. Daddy.
And like it felt good. Like I felt something was missing from me.
I felt.
Like I felt like something was like I was leaving there without something.
I also felt like I was missing something.
No, you felt like there was an add-on.
No.
So you were missing me, babe? You miss me?
Sunshine. Dada. Bye-boys. Why are you mad, bro?
His tattoo.
Who's?
I want him to like my
Can recording have fun? Hey, puppy.
She doesn't show off to the camera. He's like his daddy. What? You told me to slap you again for what?
No, I said catch my
retailer for service is the best way to keep your Subaru the way you love. They'll care for your vehicle with back.
It's like acid turn. Oh my god. There's another vibes.
First day of Momo's driving class. Can meet us, Papa. Are you whipping?
Show the papas.
Show the babies. Talk to them. Talk to the world. Let them know. Yeah.
We just bought a Magic Mount Pro.
so I'm able to connect my phone right here. I'm gonna be like, this ain't stuff. I'm gonna be hella cool and stuff. I'm like, this is like a magnet. It's like powerful.
I know, it's a magnet. Hey, that's
now
right.
we're just saving to
Amen. Amen.
buy a
Amen. Amen.
I want to buy a camera because I want to have pictures of him. I never had pictures of myself when I was a baby or
Let's talk to
so I want to have
Uzziah.
pictures.
Uzziah, you know I love you, Bubbles.
We love you. Mommy and Poppy love you with all our hearts.
I know, at least.
Like I want to make
Okay.
Nope. Doesn't want me to talk. I want to make the camera an investment. So we can
I mean, at least Uzziah, you know, when he's older, will have hella memories about himself.
videos.
Everyone.
Yeah, of my of my mom, of your mom.
Now that they're still young right now.
Yeah.
Boink! Boink!
Cause like when Uzziah's gonna remember his grandma and his grandpa, they're gonna be like older.
They're gonna be like my grandma. Yeah, dile to mommy que ya, apure, cause se nos hace tarde. I'm gonna go home and take a dookie. Cheetos.
Oh, you can still see me. That's like legit, babe. Thank you. Thank you for buying that for me. Good morning, pupils. Not a good morning for me because I didn't sleep last night. My baby is getting sick. Well, I think he's sick. But I have to go pick up some medicine for him because I ran out of Tylenol. I'm not gonna keep my baby suffering all day until his dad gets home, so I have to run to the store really fast. Hopefully there's some right here at the market so I don't have to go all the way to town to get some. But if there isn't, then I'm gonna have to drive all the way to town. It's not that far, but it's kind of far. It's kind of rainy. It's raining today. It's sprinkling. And the parts that suck about having a baby is that when they get sick, they do not let you sleep. That doesn't suck, you know. Obviously they're in pain, but it's just like you get used to like a good 5-hour span of sleeping or 7. But since he was getting sick for 3 days now, he's been like crying at night, waking up. Maybe his stomach hurt. I don't know. Like it's so hard to tell with babies because they can't talk. So you don't know what hurts them. And he has a runny nose, so I know for sure he's getting sick. Or he's sick. So I like this little magnet thing that I got. It's so cool because my phone doesn't fall and I can record while I drive. And that's sick. Okay. But I'll keep you guys updated on my baby. So if you're breastfeeding mama, just breastfeed them as much as you can. Like, usually when he wakes up, he doesn't eat for like an hour, or like for an hour, a good 40 minutes. And then I feed him because he's like a happy baby in the morning. So if I feed him right away, he'll just snap again. So I just try not to feed him for like a good 40 to an hour, so he's like awake for a little bit and knows that it's morning. And then after the hour, I'll feed him, and then he'll go back to sleep. He'll take a nap, and then that nap usually lasts us for a good hour and a half. So yeah, the morning naps are always good naps. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later.
Stupid.
Hey guys, I did find it. It was an infant Tylenol. It was hidden, or it wasn't hidden. It's just I'm blind. I'm just dumb. I kind of just look really fast, and I'm like, oh, there is that. There's no more, but there is. But that's good because now I don't have to go all the way to town, and I was just at the market, Easy Mart. Right here, just 5 minutes away from our house, so that was good. And I had to hurry up if I did go to town because I'm taking care of my niece, and I had to go fast before her mom left to go work. But the good news is that there was some there. Hopefully my baby isn't crying. What should I eat for breakfast today? I don't know if I should have. I tried this toast with yogurt, strawberries, and like blueberries, and it was so good. And I don't know if I should have that or some avocado toast. I got feta cheese, feta, and I want to try it, but like, what do I put feta cheese on? Like, I've never tried feta cheese, so I'm interested. Do I put it on avocado toast, on salad? Like, what? I was supposedly gonna get up in the morning to go walk or on a run with my dog, but last night my baby was really fussier than the past 2 days. Like, he was waking up every 2 hours, so nothing like me holding him wasn't comforting him, so I had to feed him, and that's the only way he'd go back to sleep. But my baby is what's it called, I don't know, what do you call it? Like, he just uses me as his binky, as a pacifier, so he's just on there for a while and then I have to take it off. So I don't know when he's full, when he's not, because my baby won't let go of my boob until I take it out. Like, if my baby can be on my boob all day, he'll be on my boob all day. Unless, like, when people are talking to him, he'll be on my boob, and then he's like, he gets out of it and starts paying attention to the people. But then once he gets bored, he'll go back on my boob. You know, so. But the only way that I know he's full is because because he'll burp. But he's a hard burper. My baby is so difficult. Just kidding. Not to me. Maybe to other people. Not anymore because I got used to it. But he's a little complicated man. So I'm back home. Did you see how fast that was? It's literally 4 minutes away. Because I've been filming for 4 minutes and 30 seconds. I need to sneeze. Bless me. Okay, I'll see you guys when I get home or when I'm inside because I'll just see you when I'm inside. Okay, it's cool. It's cool guys hanging out here. Here's my little sick baby. Are you sick, puppy? How are you feeling? Tell him. Excited to get back on my grind this week. I slacked off, just being lazy, unmotivated, unproductive, just waking up kind of late. Now I gotta get back on it. So, take all of these. Okay, start with the big ones. This is fish oil. I'll make this one because you can kind of taste it. Or you're gonna do lemon water. Also, when I'm trying to be productive, I usually make myself a lemon water. Just lemon, a lot of lemon. Because that usually gives me a boost of energy. So I try to have that. It's also good, I guess, to like lose weight or something. I don't know. I'm not too sure about that, but... He's a little sick, just a little bit. He's big time sick. I feel so bad because what kind of mother likes to see their baby sick? No kind of mother. Especially because it's hard on the mom. Because they want to be held, they want to be cuddled, they just want to be with you, and you don't get to sleep at night. You don't get to sleep at night because they're in pain too. You want to? It's already kind of cold, but it's okay. I usually leave the bag in there so like it gets all the good stuff in there, and it's caffeine free, so it's not bad. Let me go lay him down. Or not lay him down, but put him in the little chillin' jumper. My rolls. This is what I need, so that I'm able to either make me breakfast or clean, because mama's gotta clean. Mama's gotta clean and she gotta eat too, Papas. Okay, and I'm gonna start mopping the house because I already swept and mopped, so swept, not mopped, swept. So I'll see you guys when I'm done with that. her. I'm gonna get better and kill her. Okay, this is how I make my avocado toast. I usually get a spray. This one's an extra virgin olive oil. Hey! And I'll just toss it into the toaster. Okay, my avocado ready. Delicious. And then I'm also making some huevos. So, another one. Follow me. I'm going. Whoa. Wow, it's been so fast. And for spinach. What was already done? Hey! Oh boy! Okay, now I gotta go wipe this child's booty. Okay, wash your hands. Okay, I'll show you my meal once I'm done because I'm trying to eat fast. It tastes good, but there's no sweetener. So I'm gonna put sweetener because I need some sweets. Just right. This has a good flavor, but there's no sugar, so it's unsweetened. I told you guys I got feta cheese, so I'm gonna try it. Some eggs. Oops. Let's see how it tastes. Okay. And this is my meal, my breakfast / lunch. Put it in 12. Eat your huevos. Sleepy? You tired? Are you tired? Oh, you're done. Wait, look, he's jumping with 1 feet. He's jumping with 1 feet. Should I give you your other medicine? Should I give you more medicine? Please? So you can feel better? Nice, Grandma? I give him 2.5 milliliters. Watch me struggle. He does not like it. He pushes my hand off right away. He gags. Good job. Good job, Bubba. Another one? Please, another one. This boy is so smart. He spits it all out. Careful. Just getting this much place. He spit most of it out. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna feed him. See if he takes another nap. Yes, you have a problem with it or what?
Yes.
Okay, we are going for a small little stroll.
Famous.
You're funny. You're super funny. He's making fun of me because I only have 20 subscribers.
Oh,
What?
give me your
See, we just want to be cuddled. I'm just like, we just went for a walk, so he's a little tired. Go to sleep. Let me go feed him. Let me go feed him and put him down to sleep. I still need to clean the bathroom, so the bathroom's clean right now while he's asleep. Good check. Oh my god, I need to clean that mirror. Leggings from Rose. This shirt is from Forever. This is from Boba. Baby is from My Vagina. Yeah, sandals are from they're from Target. I made dinner. It's a new thing that I tried. I made some asparagus. I'm making some smashed potatoes and some home fries. I mean potatoes. Yeah, let's see how it'll taste. Looks good, but who knows? Okay, what is it though?
It's like bussin'. It's like a bussin' 10, solid.
10?
Yeah, it's like a good 10.05.
Let's see what the father says.
Like the 6.50.
This is the real picky. My dad is picky, so
What do I look like?
bear. Like a teddy bear.
Sexy. Sexy.
No, stupid.
Where's the controller?
No manches, you won't spot that. Day 2 of being officially sick. How do you feel? Can't breathe. I hate that when, like, even yourself when you're sick. Shit feels so bad. You know, my piercing is out. Me, I'm so tired. No sleep last night. Same as always. Doing good, but tired. No, he just wants mama. This child is watching. I don't know what this is, but into that. He's kind of into it too, but he wants mama. He's probably getting tired already. Man, they're going in it. Zaya.
Favorite. They're so beautiful. And look, there's this. I made it. It's a card. Aww. You wrote this all by yourself?
I think I'm gonna end the video here and call it a week. It's a Wednesday today, but I just want to cut it short. It's already hella long, and my baby is feeling a little better. He looks better. He slept good last night. He didn't wake up until 5 in the morning, which was good. Got some sleep in. I feel better. But and it's so pretty outside and I want to go for a walk, but I don't want to risk it and get him any more sick. So, yeah, we're just going to stay home. Probably going to go do laundry today or do groceries because we need some groceries. And that'll be it. I'll see you guys next week. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe and share and tell people about my YouTube because I need some subscribers.
This right here is what you call a candy paint. Southern Arizona.